Hello and welcome back to another episode of Beers with Bill and Rods. My name is Joe, and today we are talking about Final Absolution from Dragon Reed Brewery in Warren, Michigan, and the Electrolux EFLS527UIW. This is a pretty fantastic washer. We have a 4.3 cubic foot capacity on the inside, a height of 38, a width of 27, and 32 inches out to the end of the door here. For the very first time, there is a washer that now accepts pods, and this is it. So you pop the pod right inside here, close the lid, push the pods button, and then push start. And as it's starting to fill, it'll actually dissolve that pod and add water and the soap mixed together in order to do the washing. With this as well, we have the perfect steam option for getting those deep set-in stains out of your clothes. So steam slowly rises up from the bottom of the washer and works its way through the clothes. With this as well, we have a fast wash 18-minute cycle. So with this, with your smaller loads that aren't super filthy, put that in on that fast load and get that soccer uniform out. Get your scrubs out. Get your work clothes out. Anything that you need right away to get done, you get that in there on that 18-minute wash cycle. You have a sanitized wash option as well, and we're talking killing 99% of bacteria and 95% of allergens on clothes as well. So that is ideal for anybody with seasonal allergies. Anybody gets sick inside the house, that's a great cycle option to run. You have the perfect balance for second floor installation guarantee. It's ideal for those second floor situations, or if you have a bedroom right backing up to this washer, it's not going to shake the walls down. It's not going to create too much noise in order to do the washing that it needs to do. With this as well, we have a reversible door. Not any front load washer in the industry can do this, but Electrolux front load laundry, the majority of the models that they have out there do, including this 527. So now you have a little bit more flexibility with your installation. If you've got them stacked, have the washer and dryer open on the same side, reverse them. Anything that you need to do in order to make it work for your laundry room, this model can do it. Not to mention, we've got the Platinum Star limited warranty with this. That's 3 years parts coverage on the washer and 1 year labor coverage. That's some of the best in the industry for front load laundry. Not to mention, we get a 10-year warranty on the motor and a lifetime warranty on the tub. So that is a very robust guarantee for this washer. And one small thing that I truly enjoy about this washer is that there's a light on the inside of the tub to make sure that when you open this up, you're seeing everything that's in there. That last sock, not getting lost in this washer, tell you that much. So all in all, a final great option for front load laundry. And to be honest, it almost feels sinful. So we're gonna need some Final Absolution, and that's where today's beer comes in, from Dragon Reed Brewery in Warren, Michigan. Final Absolution is a Belgian Tripel. That is 10% alcohol by volume. They've been doing this for a very long time, and really, it's a fantastic beer. We have a nice dark amber color on the beer with looks like we're getting some off-white foam at the top here. It's a very sweet smelling beer, sweet aroma coming off of this with, you do pick up some banana and cloves and a little bit of grass with some herbalness to it. Wow, the taste follows right along with this. The banana comes through, the clove, and it finishes with a real dank note at the end there. It's a little bit of a thicker beer. With it being so clear, I wouldn't have expected it to feel as thick on the mouth, but it does come in smooth and velvety. All in all, huge flavors with a huge AVB that you really cannot pick out there. That 10% is hidden very well. Beautiful lacing on the glass as well. So altogether, we have A very beautiful beer. We've got a very beautiful front load lawn washer. If you'd like to come by and see us, we're at 15870 Middle Belt Road in Livonia. Check out the pair together. We'd love to show it to you. If you would like to see everything that we offer, laundry, appliances, grills, mattresses, everything, visit our website, billandrodsappliance.com, and you can see all that we have to offer. Thanks again for tuning in. Until next week, make sure you drink responsibly, do laundry responsibly, and we'll see you soon.